Well, good evening to you and welcome on this most perfect evening for a game of football. Conditions are absolutely splendid and the folk of this town have come out in their droves for this match. Why wouldn't they? It is an ideal circumstance for what could be an ideal game. Everybody has been attracted to it. It has been the talk of the town, and the buses have been packed, double-decker buses lining up outside. Coaches have carried thousands of away supporters here too, and all of it adds up to make a terrific, a crackling atmosphere. The match, I think, will be quite a spectacle. One glance and you know where we are. It is one of the most recognisable arenas for the beautiful game in the world, and boy does it add to the occasion. Mouth-watering game this between two very high-quality sides. A treat for everybody here.
Well, on the face of it, Peter, we would appear to have a high-caliber meeting with very little at stake. But then you consider a chance for one or two of the fringe players to get a look in, and this becomes a big incentive. It changes the dynamic. So there's plenty at stake for them, which will do no harm to the energy levels and the overall conviction, and hopefully the style of contest. So
that's got things underway. Fight. Plays it forward. Mariappa positions himself well and cuts it out. Walker. Nicholson. Fight. Choupo-Moting. He goes long. He goes for goal!
McGee.
Brown.
McGee.
Brown. Walker. Nicholson with a delicate ball. Hoists it forward. Ball's out on the left now. Here it comes. And that should be the keeper's.
Bell.
And it's Morrison. Nicholson. Sambo Anguissa battles to win it back. And that's left him on the seat of his pants. Sambo Anguissa with a fine tackle. And it's played forward. Forward it goes. Crosses it in low. Yep, it's a corner. They've played it short. And here's Morrison. Morrison. And he's cut it out. There's the ball in. He's dealt with that well. Here comes another cross. It's a clearance, but not much of one. Played in again. well blocked, and back out it comes. Lovely bit of skill. Puts in a cross. And he's there to clear it. Tries to get it forward quickly. Choupo-Moting plays it out to the wing. Well, the crowd clearly like what they just saw. Some real no-nonsense defending. Mariappa. Williams. Still goalless at the moment. Paris. Bell. Good run down the left. What can they make of it? And it's Morrison. Williams. McGee. He's had a shot! Oh, that's a fine save!
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
Tries to clear. Hence has got rid of that. Morrison. Bell. Well played, he saw that coming. Good idea, just poorly executed. Really good feet. McGee. Whitted. In again. Onana is there to take. Sambo Anguissa. Sambo Anguissa. Hoists it forward. Paris plays it out to the flank. A slightly better ball would have led to a very different outcome there.
Look, the game is full of ifs and buts. If only the pass could have completed its journey.
Forward it goes. And it's played forward. Played back in.
Oh, super tackle. They were outnumbered and under the cosh. That had to be spot on, and it was.
Looks to clip it forward. That'll be a throw-in. It's a good throw at all, really. Giving away possession cheaply. Low. Seen lots of the ball, time to go for it a bit of creativity and adventure. Done very well to intervene. Fight. Some good work on the right flank. Now, what's next? Williams. Paris. Bell. Paris. No messing about, just bludgeoned away. And that's a throw. And it's played forward. Sambo Anguissa. Oh, that's neat. There are a few waiting for it. Towering header! And we hit half-time, so neither team has broken through. Not for the want of trying. Interesting game up to now. Still goals. And the action is back on the way. 0-0 then, and we're back on the way. And it's Choupo-Moting. Can't get the better of his opposite number.
Peter, we can only applaud that quality of tackle in the circumstances. It was probably goal-saving.
Real chance! That's caused a worry or two.
A more than decent attempt, Peter.
Into the area. Choupo-Moting. Mariappa drives it forward. Nicholson. And he's made sure that that won't get through. Sambo Anguissa. Sambo Anguissa. Out to the left it goes. Choupo-Moting! Oh, that's a terrific save from the keeper.
Well, as Tesco, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
Oh, good interception. Brown. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Yeah, he's fouled him there. Toko Ekambi making use of the space out wide. Fight. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Hits one! And again the keeper stands strong.
Well, look, believe me when I tell you that goalkeepers work harder than anyone else in training, and that's why, to be top class on match day, that was a majestic stop.
And that has been cleared. Good defending, albeit from an unexpected source.
You have to admire commitment like that, because he could easily ignore that and just kind of walk around and let others do all the chasing. But instead, he looks as if he relishes the chance to dig in for his team here.
Though, plenty of action at either end, just nothing to show for it.
Yes, and it's been far from uneventful. We've had a healthy amount of attempts at goal from both teams, and with this kind of ambition, we may not have to wait too long.
Fight crosses into the area.
They've been denied a chance to develop any rhythm in the passing department.
Walker. He's looked long this time. Good ball over the top. And has put a stop to that. It's got through to him. Danger averted for now. In towards the middle. Oh, he's overhit it. McGee. Promising move that. Good inroads into enemy territory, but no joy. Forward it goes. Cameroon can't seem to retain possession. Sambo Anguissa. Over to the left. For the cross. Paris. Williams. McGee. Hoists it forward. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. It's a good run down the left-hand side. There's a long ball. Get it forward quickly. Nicholson. It's a promising ball. Has a pop! A real chance and a real let-off.
All he'll be thinking is, please, ground, swallow me up.
Whistle's gone, that's foul.
Well, I think the alternative was to stand there and do nothing while he tried to score, and obviously he's not going to allow that, Peter, is he?
Just a talking to, I think. Yes, it is.
Cameroon, they've got away with it this time, but I think if they carry on giving away free kicks in positions like that, I think they'll be made to pay. They've got to be very careful, just a little more discipline is called for.
Toko Akambi is there, and he can get that clear. Into the box. And he's there to clear it. And it's Morrison. And he's got the ball glued to his feet.
Jamaica merit full marks for their attitude and application in trying to win this. It means an awful lot, obviously.
Brown.
Look, this can still go either way. It might be flowing one way, but there's still time for some ebb.
Brown. And it's got through. He's gone for it! It's in!
Well, if ever there was a perfect time to score, I think we just witnessed it.
Well, from right in front of goal, there was no way he was going to miss.
Yeah, and all engineered, Peter, by some smart running and movement. That's already something to admire, but How about the pass? Just wonderful. Loved it.
Jamaica are able now to make their substitution. It's been on the cards for a few moments now.
Yeah, it was pretty obvious as to who was going to be taken off. His energy levels began to sag, and he was never going to last until the final whistle.
A 1-0 lead established.
Yeah, it's been their hard work that has got him this lead, but I just wonder whether they can keep it up. This may take a toll now.
That's a throw. And there's going to be another change here.
Yeah, he's run himself into the ground, hasn't he? And it's good to see that the crowd appreciate his efforts, because he has put in a real honest shift.
Played into space out wide.
Jamaica probably could have killed things off, but they should be okay here.
Forward it goes. Cuts it out. Johnson.
Jamaica certainly don't need to overcommit now. Their priority lies further back.
Johnson hit long and direct, and he just whacks it away. Cameroon can make their change now with a break in play.
Well, he's worked so hard for his side, as you would expect, but you couldn't help notice that he was starting to labour a bit, so it's no surprise.
He's being closely tested here. Out for a throw. And that's been levered clear. Board shows there will be 3 extra minutes.
Well, they're supposed to be chasing a goal, and yet there's no urgency or sense of awareness. They've got to wake up.
Sambo Anguissa. Lovely feet. Veit will try cutting inside here. And there goes the final whistle. Always in the balance, and in the end, 1 goal was enough. They are narrowly beaten. Your final thoughts, Jim?
Cameroon simply weren't good enough to play through the pressure put on their defence and were duly picked off.
And that's where we have to end it. From me, Peter Drury, and my co-commentator, Jim Beglin, a very good evening to you all.